If your inflammation disappears while you're on medication but comes roaring back the moment you stop, you're not fixing inflammation, you're only silencing it. And if you've tried everything and still feel stuck, you're not alone. What if I told you some of the most powerful anti-inflammatory tools aren't pills or expensive supplements, but simple seeds you already have at home? And here's the shocking part. The #1 seed most people misuse actually increases inflammation when used incorrectly. Most people try to fight this with painkillers, creams, or supplements instead of fixing the biological triggers that keep inflammation switched on. Science shows chronic inflammation usually begins in 3 core systems: cell membranes, gut lining, immune communication pathways. The seeds we're discussing today don't just dull pain. They work inside these systems where inflammation actually starts. Let's break them down in the order that matters most. Seed number 1, flax seeds, the omega balance controller. Flax seeds are one of the most researched anti-inflammatory foods in nutrition science. They're rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that helps calm inflammatory signaling. They also contain lignans, powerful antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and lower markers like CRP. But this is where most people go wrong. Correct use: never eat whole flax seeds. They pass through undigested. Use freshly ground or soaked. 1 to 2 teaspoons per day is enough. Start slow if digestion is sensitive. Misusing flax is why many people never see results. Seed number 2, chia seeds, the gut inflammation regulator. Chia seeds fight inflammation differently. When soaked, they form a gel that slows blood sugar spikes, feeds beneficial gut bacteria, and calms gut-driven immune responses. They also support cell membranes through healthy fats and antioxidants. Never eat chia seeds dry. Correct method: soak 1 tablespoon in 1 glass of water. Minimum 30 minutes. Add to lemon water, smoothies, or porridge. A calm gut often means a calmer immune system. Seed number 3, pumpkin seeds, the immune signal stabilizer. Pumpkin seeds are often underestimated. They're rich in zinc, magnesium, and phytosterols, nutrients essential for immune balance. Zinc plays a direct role in immune communication. Low zinc levels can actually increase inflammatory reactions. At a deeper level, pumpkin seeds support tissue repair and oxidative defense. Best intake: 1 small handful, 20 to 30 grams daily. Soak for 6 to 8 hours, or lightly dry roast at low temperature. Seed number 4, sunflower seeds, the cell membrane protector. Sunflower seeds are often avoided, unfairly. They're one of the richest natural sources of vitamin E, a key antioxidant that protects cell membranes from damage. Since damaged membranes trigger inflammation, this protection is critical. They also provide selenium and healthy fats that support immune balance. Moderation matters. Best use: 1 tablespoon per day. Soaked and lightly roasted. Excess intake can disrupt fatty acid balance. These seeds work because they restore fatty acid balance, protect cellular structures, support beneficial gut bacteria, and normalize immune signaling. This is biological inflammation control, not symptom suppression. If inflammation keeps coming back in your life, this channel is for you. Share this with someone who's tired of chasing temporary relief.
And subscribe to Holistic Health 2.0 for science-backed tips that actually works.